Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
There is land filling going on, but when that assurance is given, I have that faith now that it would be undone. Definitely, when even if stilts are going to be built, coming from the construction background, I could say a part of the thing has to be filled. At least to take the machinery to go in, and the NGT order is not yet come, but only the proposal which has been sent also has given stills. So now yesterday we have started with gone back to NGT so that they should proceed with the proceedings, and we will take it to the logical end where we will also show them that the land filling is already submitted earlier in interim applications, but it will be undone, restored to its original ground. Legal side also we are working, and we will also see that the entire Salset also comes together. It is not just about Benauli and Serauli, it's about the entire villages along the river Sal who are going to get affected by the disaster.
1,225 square meter magelo itali entering in writing deal maga. This is in 2006. And after 15 years तो road start करता है पण त्यांचे alignment माग दिला तस कोण ना त्याचे भितर हा
तुगे इतो शेता भितर येले
हय मुगे बांदा भितर येले
बांद
मला भितर येले आणि ते मोठा we have done the survey on Google map. मॅन्युअल गायलो ते नीस तसेच आहे नीस बाउंड्रीज टू
सो तू आता कंप्लेन केलं
हांवें
तेंका
आतां कंप्लेन केला तुगेल्या नॅशनल हायवेयान आनी सायमल्टेनियसली कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक सांगितलें तेणें म्हाका 8 तारखेक 2:30 इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक दिवन